You gotta do something after. Fresh off.
That's that cat right there.
Going right up that.
Think you want right now. Cat, that's the cat.
Nah, that shit really spinning.
This shit moves. This shit started running.
It's tweaking?
Yeah.
It's gotta be, it's spinning.
Yo, my shit broken, bro.
No way.
Look, look. It's going backwards, bro. I'm about to go exchange this shit.
You don't have to.
Bro, look.
Maybe it's because both of them are on at the same time.
Yeah, it might be. That one's probably doing that. Yeah.
Oh.
You gotta turn it on and off real quick. Definitely. Had to be. Can't even get the race. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. He jumped, he jumped. They gonna spill yellow liquor when they hear this song. Damn, they got Mac. Oh, again. Damn.
Nah, you wildin'.
Y'all about to
You
pull
wildin',
Walker.
Yo, you wildin' my Hellcat.
Yo, they just pull Walker. Yo, watch the cars. Watch the cars, gang.
Dog playing for me. Little YouTube motivation for the day. Get this box and get out of here. You know what's going on today.
Nah, we outside. Where we going?
We gotta eat first though. The only way I think we can do it.
That shit spinning?
Yeah.
Car is a car is a car.
Yo. Damn, we upped up again. Every day.
Got a different fit from the last.
No cap. Son Scott put me on though, I ain't gonna
Put it
lie.
on the scale.
Son gave me 2 breads because he fucked up.
That's one bread though.
Nah, there's a line there. They be splitting it in half.
There's a
He was like, "There's a bread there." I was like, "Nah."
factory malfunction. Factory default.
I hate when I get my pee first, bro.
It's hot or warm?
I don't know. That shit cold as fuck. Nah, it's not hard, but it's cold. Man, bro, I need like a fish eye or some shit. I'll put this shit up here.
Yo. Get this bad boy on camera.
Yo, you calling me?
Yo, get this bad boy on camera.
My shit.
So you want this? You want this?
Oh, alright, bet. Alright, bro.
I ain't seen his mom in a minute, bro.
Who was that? That was Nestor?
Yeah.
Nestor mom.
Look at that Chipotle
Got this.
avocado chicken.
Creamy soup.
Yo.
Chipotle avocado.
Bro, I didn't even see that, bro.
That's
John
him
came
with
out
the
hell.
free
John
chips.
eating,
Look at that
John eating
avocado.
meat today. So he's not supposed to eat meat today.
I could explain though. I'm converting. I didn't think I would like this cheddar broccoli.
He's showing his weight. The chicken bacon was all white here.
Put it on. Cheese retarded.
Up to the spot with the bed.
In a discreet location. It ain't even brick down here. Lit. Some got the toys. It's fake wet down here, but Whichever one you're not using. No, let me see one yet. What you want to try this one?
You want to use the cap?
I use the Mustang. I use the Mustang. No.
Damn.
I've dropped that shit a million times. Drift session is over. Need some new tires about now.
You know, shit just digging.
Scott got you on some new tires for letting me hold it down.
Can I get a small plate? Oh, vegan Bob, veggie guy. So. What you getting, Scott? What you getting? What you getting? What you getting?
What they give you with the big plate?
2 meats? Yeah, 2 meats. And I think 2 salads. Right? That's asparagus, boy? That one? Asparagus?
Yeah, they don't got really
Can I have asparagus? Can I have rice and peas as well? And the drum, please.
Oh, I guess, yeah, some potatoes, yeah. Potatoes and some.
Yeah, that's
some
and
pasta.
The drum, and the drum.
Trade some potatoes.
Take some. I got you right now. Shit looking explicitly delicious.
Shit looking plain Jane.
Scott got the same shit as me.
Well, I got the same shit as Scott.
For me, playing some Fortnite, new season. Just trying to get as much content as I can, man. Shit is hard out here in New York. It's freezing. Leaving to Cali in like 12 days, 11 days. Should probably be a movie. Staying out there for a little while with my boy Josh and Ortiz. Probably gonna be on Twitch soon, so stay tuned for that. I'm trying to get on my TikTok shit, go live on TikTok and just fucking communicate with my fucking peoples, man. I just wanna go on every platform and just go crazy, you feel me? Like show people why I'm talented, you feel me? Cause I know I'm talented. If y'all don't know I'm talented yet. Go. Relax, bitch. Breakfast of champions. Why you changed it? Wow, you're outside. So the Grom isn't starting. He's in up his man's right now, see what's the word. Just have to try to jump start it. I'm about to show y'all what it's doing. Maybe y'all can help us out. This fuel turns on. It just don't wanna.
Alright. Connected everything, batteries on. Now moment of truth. There we go. That was all it was.
Easy pickings. It's gotta take a seat like this.
This shit running though. I'm about to throw it up.
Get it for a ride. It feels a little fucked up. That's what I'm saying. It's fucked up. My lever fucked up when I fucking fell. Damn, that shit is a hoop thing. I gotta fix so much shit on this one.
What happened?
The seat fell. The clutch feels like it's grabbing wildly. It's not crazy though. Besides that, it's just a tune-up. Hopefully I handled all that shit before I did.
I think it's like 3 months now since it happened.
Yeah,
like about 3 months.
Post accident.
Yeah.
Definitely. Feels good to ride that shit though, for sure. My rear brake is shot too. The van is back on the road too though. I'm about to put the IG right here, TikTok, all that, whatever, you feel me? Van is back on the road. Mobile washes is back up. I'm gonna be in Cali, but I'm sending everybody my boy way. Yeah, it's grabbing super late. Like you gotta basically damn near let go of the lever for it to grab.
For real, that's so
See if it starts up without the battery pack.
Yeah, nah. Everything's on though, yeah, for sure. Yeah, it's starting off for sure.
The shit is bullet.
The Honda.
I believe it is 14. Yo, what's 14 in metric, whatever it's called? 9/16, right?
The other shit wasn't a dipstick, right?
Yeah, it was just like a little plug. But mine's way older.
Shit barely got oil. I mean, it's wet right there where it says it needs to be.
Bro,
You gotta see how much comes out.
Yeah, but you bought it used already. I bought the shit brand new.
Your shit was probably already changing.
You definitely have to do that break and change.
I read just break it in. That you could do the first oil change at like 1200, but I'm at like 1600, so I was like,
Yeah, nah,
that's why I haven't been driving.
Definitely time.
Yo, why is there two?
Come on now.
I can't even see what you're looking at.
It's either this one or this one, but it's super this one.
Should be the angle, right?
Yeah, it is, bro. Why you grow up?
It's not gonna come out that crazy. Yo, that shit is empty. Why is there a spring?
Shit farted, should have a little. That has let out a wet fart in the spring. Follow that up. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that was the wrong bolt.
Who's this guy Propane? He got some, huh?
Should have fucking looked at the video. The first video I saw. Not the train block. Said there's a spring in here. He said it.
That video looked like the one though. See all that gun come out.
What you gonna do with all that?
Hey
gunk?
yo.
All that gunk. She about to get all over the exhaust. Watch.
Funnel it.
Definitely nice, huh?
Yeah.
Squirt.
For sure.
Looks like it was about a quart.
Oh my god. Oh thank god that didn't go in there. Go back on. Should I flip this washer? I was told to flip.
Bro, I'm a dickhead, bro.
At least it didn't go fully in it.
Oh, it's digging it. Just kidding, I'm just kidding.
Check it first?
Yeah.
When'd you get so smart? So put it like this. So put it straight and then take it out. Alright. Probably don't really make a big difference. Oil change done though. Gotta clean up or mommy kill me.
Oh, you got oil on your suit.
On my sweater?
Yeah.
Damn, I got mad shit on my sweater.
Use that. Yeah.
Real, like a lot of oil?
Yes.
It's cabin, the biggest cabin.
Best place to do that would be over the sewer, dickhead.
Dude, that's contaminating the city's water, dog. I'm doing it over the shirt. I'm doing it over the shirt. Feeling a little rusty, but needs a big tune up, get everything right, flush this gas, even though it hasn't been in there for that long. Change the spark plug, maybe get an exhaust or something. I don't know though, but she's gonna be parked up for a little while anyways. I just wanted to get that oil change out the way so I could have a clean conscience, feel me? I'm looking crazy, don't mind your boy. Just finishing off this vlog. Wanted to tell you I thank you for staying to the end of the vlog. If you could do your boy a favor, like, comment, subscribe, all that, you feel me? Getting this packing done so I can just go to Cali in 5 days. Just making moves, man. Tired of not doing shit, wasting these days, you feel me? We get one time on this spinning rock. Might as well make this shit go crazy, right? But I'm editing the video. Shit about to be done. Good looking for staying to the end of the video, man. Like, comment, subscribe, all that. Comment what you want to see in the next video, and I'll see y'all next time.